Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can check trending on YouTube. So first up here is open up your YouTube app as you can see on your screen. And then if you want to find the trending videos, all you need to do is tap on the compass icon right there at the very top left corner of your screen. So once you tap on this compass icon right here, you'll find some options. But we just need to tap on this trending right there at the top. And from here you'll find all the trending videos, and as you can see at the top you have an option if you want to find a trending music. So just tap on this and we'll show you all the trending music here. And if you want trending gaming, as you can see, if we scroll down you'll find all the trending gaming and the trending movies right here. So that's how you basically check trending on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.